Let us start the lecture on generalized force. What is a generalized force? First, write down generalized force. Generalized force. We already discussed on generalized coordinate, then generalized displacement, then generalized velocity, then generalized acceleration, and finally on generalized force. Okay, let's see generalized force. What is generalized force? Just first consider a system of n particles. Okay, just write down consider a system of n particles. Okay, that is a system consists of n particles. Then here you have to use a force, yes or no? Then let Fi, what I write here? Fi, that is force on ith particle. Let Fi is the force applied on the ith particle which that means as a force here applied on the ith particle, so the ith particle must displace through a distance, yes or no? Let the distance be delta Ri, that is small distance. Okay, let Fi is the force applied on the ith particle which displace through delta Ri. Okay, displace through delta Ri. Here delta Ri is the displacement of the ith particle due to the force Fi. Yes or no? As force is present, displacement is present. So here must the work done arises. Yes or no? What arises? Work done, because we know the formula for work done. What is the formula for work done? Work done W equal to F dot S. Yes or no? Force dot displacement. Just right here. As the particle is displaced through a small distance delta Ri, so here we find a small work done. Yes or no? Just write down small work done, that is delta Wi. Just write here therefore the small work done is, what is the small work done? Delta W equal to Fi dot delta Ri. Yes or no? Or vector quantity Fi dot delta Ri. Okay, then this is the small work done. If we take the whole system, then we have to take the total work done. Then total work done becomes, total work done means we have to add all the force into displacement of the particle. Yes or no? That is W. Here the index is I, so just put sum over I Fi dot delta Ri. Yes or no? Work done equal to total work done. This is the total work. Yes or no? Then what do you have to do? We have to find the generalized force. Okay, total work done equal to sum over I Fi dot delta Ri. Then what is this? This is the generalized displacement. Yes or no? From the generalized displacement we have, from generalized displacement we have, the link of this generalized displacement is the description was, you can go through it. Okay, in the generalized displacement we got delta Ri is equal to sum over j dou Ri by dou Qj into delta Qj, and another time term is there, that is dou Ri by dou T into delta Q. This we got from the, sorry, this we got in the generalized displacement. Okay, let's see. If this is time independent, then what we got? If this is time independent, if time independent constraint, what I got here? Delta Ri is equal to sum over j delta Ri by delta Qj. Yes or no? We find this, yes or no? Nothing to do then. Just put it from, just take it from here and put it here. Okay, let's just see what we got here. Very, yes or no? Just remember what I studied in the previous lecture, then you can handle it easily. Yes or no? Then what we have to do? Let this is the equation 1. Okay, substitute. Just write down here. Substitute delta Ri in equation 1. Then just see what I got here. Very easy. Sorry, this one is the equation 1 and this one is the equation 2. Just substitute delta Ri in equation 2. Okay, let's see what I got here. W. We have to find the total value, of the system. W equal to sum over I Fi dot, in place of delta Ri we have to write summation over j, sum over j dou Ri by dou Qj delta Qj. Yes or no? Just rearrange it. Just rearrange what you got here. Just see here. Very easy. Just write sum over j delta Qj, then sum over I Fi delta Ri by delta Qj. Okay, yes or no? Just take the delta Qj from here to here. Is this okay? Then equal to sum over j Qj delta Qj, that is here. Write extra term Qj, yes or no? What is that Qj? Capital Qj equal to sum over I Fi dou Ri by dou Qj. What is this? This is our generalized force. Yes or no? This is our generalized force. Then another one is there, W. Yes or no? This is the equation 3. This expression gives the work done by all the generalized force in arbitrary displacement delta qj. Yes or no? What I say? Just write down here. Equation 3. What we got in equation 3? That is the, we can write here the expression sum over j qj delta qj is the work done by sum over j. qj means qj is a generalized force. Sum over j means total generalized force. Work done by all the generalized force, all the generalized force in arbitrary displacement that is delta qj. Listen, this is all about the lecture on generalized force. Yes or no? We completed the generalized coordinate, then generalized displacement, after then generalized velocity, then generalized acceleration, and the final one is generalized force. Okay, this is all about this lecture.